Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the Multilift long travel unit shown for use in a big rig, in this case a Freightliner Cascadia day cab. We can make this for a variety of different vehicles. So the Multilift, as you may know, is designed for multiple uses. So this same Multilift, you might be using this same Multilift in a boat or an RV or a swimming pool, but today we're showing you the long travel multi-lift shown for use in a big rig on the passenger side. So typically this is going to be a passenger application, okay, for a person who has little to no ability to transfer. If you do have the ability to transfer, check out the links in the notes field down below, because we have the Glide and Go XR, and that's more for independent use, okay? So what is the multi-lift? This portion right here, this is your multi-lift. The actual lift to get you in. It's removable, so you would remove this portion right here, pull this pin right out, lift comes right off. That's during travel. When we're ready to go, we put the lift in place. Make sure to put the safety pins in, very important. Okay, so we're riding in a sling. Now this sling does not need to be put in place ahead of time, okay? So it just goes underneath the person, but not directly underneath their bottom, okay? So we're going to put that right in place. We bring the lift over. We're going to connect the leg tabs, and we can move this down a little bit. Connect the leg tabs. Arm tabs are next. And we're ready to go up and in. Once we get the person up off of the wheelchair, we're going to move the wheelchair out of the way. If you want different configurations and different uses, you can, of course, add extensions to give you a different range and motion. So we move the wheelchair out of the way. So again, your multi-lift, this can be used in a number of different environments. It can be used in the swimming pool, hot tub. We've got quite a long travel on this unit because you've got the long travel unit. You can use it in the interior of an RV, all kinds of different possibilities. And that's the whole idea of the multi-lift system, is that it's made to be used in conjunction with over 2,000 parts and accessories that we have manufactured in the more than 3 decades since we designed the product. Okay, once we get up to the appropriate height, we're going to start moving in. And then it's pretty simple. You can see, just as we get over the seat, navigate right over the seat. Now we're up over the seat. Down we go. Disconnect. Okay, so obviously while we're traveling, we're going to take the lift off. Got a nice little Velcro spot here. Pull the safety pin. All right. Remove the lift, stow safely in the vehicle. And of course, you don't want this thing clanging around. So we're going to pull the pin for this, remove, and let's have a look at the mount. Come around the back here. So this is your mount. Each of these are going to be custom for each frame of each vehicle. This one particularly is made for the Freightliner Cascadia day cab, and we believe it may work in other Freightliners with a certain configuration. So we're tied into a couple of different points here for lots and lots of support, and everything is mounted to the frame. Nothing is mounted to the body, so if there's movement between the body and the frame, we're okay. So thank you so much for checking out our video on the multi-lift long travel unit shown for use in a big rig on the passenger side to get in and out. If you'd like to learn more about our company or check out what we're up to, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We are on YouTube with over 4,000 videos showing tons and tons of different options at youtube.com/accessun. We're on Instagram as Access Unlimited, one word, Pinterest as Access Unlimited, 2 words. And of course, you can go to our website and contact us at accessunlimited.com. If you'd like to give us a call, that's the easiest way. 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time in the United States. Country code 1-607-669-4822. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-607-499-4933. Thank you for checking out the Multilift long travel for use in a big rig or semi. We appreciate your taking the time to check it out, and we hope you like what you've seen. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.